Do you want to accept Bitcoin on WhatsApp for your goods and services that you might be selling on WhatsApp and WhatsApp groups? Well, it's pretty easy. For example, right here, I have this Playmobil set that I want to purchase, and somebody has said that I can pay with Bitcoin. I'm going to click on the link, and then you can see here that I've got all the information to buy this Playmobil set. I can enter in my email, name, and my address. Then I can click on this here, pay with 20 Canadian dollars. And I've got the QR code right here that says how much Bitcoin that I have to send and to this address, or I can use the QR code. Once I send that through, then boom, the sender receives a notification and I've purchased that Playmobil set. So to start with, I'm going to take a look at using a WhatsApp group. And so I'm here on this group that I've created, and I've got a Playmobil set that I want to sell that I've got right here. But how can I say that it's for sale for Bitcoin? Well, to start with, I'll head over to the Blockonomics Merchants website. So to do this, I'm going to head over to the Blockonomics Merchants website, and when I'm there, I'll be greeted with this screen. I'll click on Create Payment button /link, enter in my wallet XPub and a tag for organizational purposes, and then click Save Changes. After that, I'll head over to Products, and I can enter in my product name and description, and then below that is the customer fields. I might want their name and address, just to make things easy. Below that is the product code. I can also use this for organization. And then I can set in the price. Below that, the order complete email isn't needed in this situation. That'd be more if you had digital products that you wanted to sell on Telegram. So I'm going to save and then click generate URL and then take this URL, copy it, and head back over. And when I've got that URL, I can come over here, put in a caption that says something like pay with Bitcoin, and then include the URL and send it off. And then that allows the user to click on the link. Boom, there we go. I can enter in my email, the name, and then pay the 20 Canadian to him using a QR code or a link. And there you have it. You've now set it up so that you can accept Bitcoin on your WhatsApp group for your goods and services easily. If you want to accept multiple goods, you can set up multiple URLs for each good or service that you want to sell. Good luck, and congratulations on getting paid in Bitcoin. See you next time.